In this video, I'll show you how to add a PDF embed to your Wix Studio website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I have added a link in the description that you need to follow. So do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a couple different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. You can simply copy and paste the link right into your search bar, or what you could also do is search for Elf site. Now, that's going to bring you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the tools section, and down below, you will find PDF embed. Be sure to click on that so we can get started. Next, click on the pink button that says create widget for free. Now that's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press an F11, or what you could also do is click on the corner of the window on the right hand side on the expand arrows. Now the first step here is to choose a template that's closest to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to what you're looking for now, and for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click on Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. Now you'll be taken to the page where you can start customizing your widget, and at the left-hand side, we have about 3 options. On the Content section, we can change our widget title, and below, what we can do is add a file. Simply click on the Add File button, and in here, we could upload a file or add file by link. What you could also do is on the File section, you could simply hold and then drag in order for you to change the order. What you could also do is on the right hand side of each and every file, click on the 3 dots for actions. You can either edit, duplicate, or delete. On the Layout section, this is where we can change our layout from a file viewer, a grid, or a list. Below here, you will see the file icon, and what you could do is change the file icon and even unshow the file icon if that is something you don't want to do. On the preview image, we can change the image size from 200, we could set it up to 125 as long as you drag this scroll bar. On the download settings, we can show the download link as well as add a download link text. You could also change the width if that is something that you want to do. If you want to set it to automatic, just simply type auto. On the appearance section, we can change the colors of the widget. We can change the widget title color, the name, the icon, the download link, the background, as well as the file background. You can also change the font if that is something that you want to do. Once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you need to either sign up or log in into Elf site if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top and right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and from here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code on the right hand side. And now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio website designer. Once you're on your Wix Studio website designer, the first step here is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, simply hover in between 2 sections, and then click on Add Section. Below, what you want to do is click on Add an Element as our starting point, and on the left-hand side, you want to hover until you see Embed in Social. Simply click, and on the right-hand side, click on Embed Code. On the right-hand side again, click on the plus sign to add to site. From the frame, you want to go to the top and click on Enter Code. And on the left-hand side, you just want to make sure to highlight everything that is in here and press on Backspace to delete. We want to work on a blank slate, so once you're done clearing everything up, simply press on Ctrl V to paste the code. Once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on the Update button so we can preview the changes. As you can see, your widget should show, and what you need to do here is expand. Simply go to the corners of the frame, you will see these circles. Simply hold and then drag in order for you to expand the widget. The point here is to expand the widget as if it was taking up the whole screen, but this will also depend on how you want it to look like. One thing that I want to add is how you can change the font of the widget without going back to Elf site. I have here a personalized code that I have shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to Code to Customize Text. Down below here, you want to highlight the first until the end of the code. Right click and then click on Copy. Now head over back to Wix, and in here, you just want to simply click on the widget and then click on Edit Code. On the left hand side, what we want to do is just paste the code, so simply press on Ctrl V. On the font family, this is where we can change or arrange how we want our fonts to be. Now this will be up to you, but I have here some fonts that you can also use as your basis. Once you're done, simply go to the bottom and click on the Update button so we can preview the changes. As you can see, I have changed the font of the widget, and the next step is to preview the website, and to do that, go to the top bar and on the right hand side, simply click on the eye to preview. And as you can see, we now have a PDF embed on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.